Software Hackathon team. We've built a great application here with a 5G control of a fully autonomous drone and an augmented reality application running in Microsoft HoloLens, which is providing a facilities management application where an operator can securely manage, in this case, the Vodafone Newbury headquarter campus. So the way in which this application works is the drone, when you switch it on, it registers over the internet to an application running in Google Kubernetes engine, and then I can control this drone through APIs, through internet standard hypermedia REST APIs, which enabled us to build an application in Microsoft HoloLens which can then dispatch this drone when there is a security incident. Now what we've done, we've built a simulated drone using the Softwire testbed and then simulated a 5G connection to that drone. And so we'll show in the presentation how the Tosca files and how the whole automated deployment of the applications worked. But for now, we'll hand over to Steve and he'll show the actual end user application.
Hello. So I can't demonstrate what I'm actually seeing in the HoloLens, but I'll show you the development environment that led to that. You come around. So here in Unity, which is a 3D graphics games engine, we have a representation of the Vodafone HQ campus here in Newbury, that is a three-dimensional model, is loaded into the HoloLens as an application, and we are using this as kind of remote facilities management. So you can imagine that an alarm has just gone off from a broken window, and the broken window is here. It's been highlighted to me through the HoloLens. I'm watching this through augmented reality, so I'm using the three-dimensional model to get some context as to what's just happened. And I can choose to go onto the public address system, call local security, or in this case, dispatch the drone. So I can say dispatch the drone. That then launches a kind of mission control, which is actually going to launch the drone. So you can see here, I have a Google Maps view of that drone. It's going through a number of telematics checks, so it's checking for the weather, checking for 5G connectivity, checking drone telemetry, and checking no-fly zones as well. And now it's taking off. So you can see battery levels, altitude and velocity are all being reported, and here's a live video feed coming back from that drone, again over the 5G network ideally.